Welcome back to Galeano Massage. Today I want to show you how to give your partner a relaxing foot massage. When would you not want to do this massage on your partner? If they have any acute injuries, or if they have any type of fungus or bacteria on their feet, do not do this massage. It can spread to other parts of their feet or even to you. If your partner works on his feet most of the day, then he may develop pain in his heel. He could also develop ankle pain or even pain in the ball of the foot. This gentle massage routine can help with all of those things and to help alleviate stress and anxiety that may be accumulating in the tissues. So now I'm going to start by applying just a moderate amount of organic coconut oil. I'm going to gently put it on both feet. Okay, so now we're going to start with this foot. Raise the pants up just a little. You can just use your thumbs to do like a windshield wiping motion, going up the sole of the foot, spreading this tissue. And for the heel, I'm going to lift the foot up a little bit, and I'm going to actually take my hand and do like a squeezing motion. And then I'm going to use my thumb. You won't get much movement out of the heel. Okay. Just press into the heel. Use your palm pressure. Go back up with your windshield wipers. Spreading the tissue. And so now standing. Come back in. I'm just using alternating strokes. Doing a gentle tug and pull on the feet. And then I'm going to take each toe. I'm going to squeeze, rotate as I'm gently giving a tug. Tug. We're going to massage circles around the ankles, around the ankle. I'm going to do a little bit of friction on each side of the ankle. The underneath of the ankle. Some more circles. Now I'm doing something called breaking the bread. Squeeze the heel. Gonna put pressure. Moving, this is just range of motion. Moving the foot up, down, up, down. I like to take my hand, hold the toes back, go up the sole with my fist. Gentle tug. We're done with that foot. So I like to start sitting. Now I'm just gonna do a windshield wiper motion on this foot, going up the sole. Going back down the sole of the foot. I'm going to give the heel a squeeze. So I'm pushing in with my palm and squeezing. Transition to standing. Breaking the bread. And I'm going to do some rotation with tugging on the toes. Now we're going to massage around the ankle, just doing gentle circles, good amount of pressure. And then we're just going to do gentle friction all around the ankle. Circles around the ankle again. Now squeeze the heel. Putting my thumb into the bottom of the heel. Do some range of motion. holding the foot back. I'm going to take my fist and go up the middle of the sole, starting from the heel, going up. Gentle tug. Okay, we're finishing this foot up. Bring both feet together. Just do a gentle tug. And that is the end of the foot massage. If you enjoyed this massage routine on how to massage your partner's feet, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and wait for some more videos.